Yo me pierdo en tu mirada cada vez, cuando tú me miras con tus ojitos de miel. En verdad me tienes bien hipnotizado, quiero sentir tu presencia a cada rato.
Hey guys, okay.
What we doing?
Today we're doing we're not burping challenge. And this is Dr. Pepper, but I think it should be.
I don't know what's before.
And we're gonna be doing no burping, and we might add this in it maybe, cause it's gonna.
I don't know where I left mine.
It's up there, girl.
Oh.
Yo, dummy.
Oh my god!
I'm not opening mine. I'm not opening mine. Yeah. It got all over me.
Yum. Oh, it tastes like kind of Dr. Pepper.
Girl, it's Dr. Pepper.
It's bubble.
I know I'm a loser already.
Yeah. Anyway, I just drink it anyway.
Put that back in her mouth.
I'm bad!
That's so much gas.
No, it doesn't.
Stop complaining,
does.
kids.
It's so nasty.
I like it.
No, it tastes weird.
Big bag, big bag,
Ew.
big.
Wait, can we back? Oh, that's Bridget.
I'm really.
We said
Too
nitrogen
much time.
monoxide
She burped too
burping.
much times. Well, it's backwards.
Oh yeah, if you ask. Oh, bro.
Anyway.
If you're my should be sending me.
You're my op.
I'm just relaxing right here.
What happened? Anyway.
That's ice cream.
The care and keeping of you.
We'll just blur out the bodies.
Blur out what?
So we're gonna start. We're gonna start with page 76.
Let's pray for something not bad. Heck nah. Let's not show our fans.
Oh, I lost it.
And I can. Doesn't periods feel like a stomach ache?
Girl, why we asking this,
Hmm.
No, but it's kind of worse.
I don't want to feel like I need a poop.
It doesn't feel like, it just feels like somebody's punching you.
Okay.
Feels like,
Dr. Beat because my mom doesn't want me to turn to
it still has the bubbles. You're gonna burp.
As soon as the video started, I burped.
Finally, someone speaked up.
Wait, should I make a video for people to make chocolate?
I'm halfway done, kind of.
I've barely been drinking mine. Wait, no. Wait, I burped.
Girl is feeling herself.
Wait, you want to put one in mine too?
My God.
Okay. Let me get one last sip.
Magic for nothing great. This girl's scared of a ghost.
Mine, look at it. I need more.
Mental. Oh,
Wait, what? Mine is mixed.
Racist.
It's mixed. I didn't know that.
Put
Oh,
those
okay,
feet
now.
down.
kind of.
This video is 11 minutes long.
Hell, huh? And I know she has a cat.
You ain't slick.
Stop! I heard you. That's Dr. Dr. Pepper exploded.
Snitch.
Hi guys.